Good morning, guys. I just woke up, brushed my teeth, exercise. Haven't exercised yet, probably. Who knows? Maybe I'll exercise, but let me guys show you. Let me show you guys something that I'm looking at right now. It's currently a Monday morning, and let me show you guys this position that I just took on Euro CHF, right? Trading is hard. The most difficult part about trading is to keep it simple. I look at 3 time frames, weekly and the daily, and I execute with the 4 hour or the 1 hour or the 5 minute. It doesn't matter. Once the confirmation is already set, we want to take those trades, right? What is happening on the weekly time frame? We have seen overall we are bearish, and the market has pulled back all the way. Let's say if we start from here, the market pulled all the way back to this level, and we have come all the way back up. But you can tell we're in a bearish trend right now because of our 50 moving average and our 40 moving average, and both our 50 moving average and 40 moving average are above price, as price just recently broke and closed below this 15 moving average, right? So we want to be selling all the way back to these lows. That's the weekly. Let's look at what is happening on the daily. On the daily, we have created a pattern, right? A head and shoulder pattern. According to me, some people it might be different. Maybe like it could be like a triple tops pattern, depending on how you want to see it. But we have multiple rejection at this same level, right? And the sad part about the daily is that our moving average is not supporting the structure, right? But we have to believe that the higher time frame is bearish, and because of this pattern, right, that's what we are going with. We don't have the confluence for moving average on the daily time frame. But let's go on our entry time frame, the 4 hour. What do we see? We see a clear trend shift, right? This low created these highs, and then this higher low here failed to create new highs. We keep failing to create new highs for so long, and we finally created our lower highs here, and this lower highs here has broken above this low. But this low, to be honest, is not really a confirm, so the trade may be a little bit risky. But I guess if we are in this zone and this zone is acting as a support level, as long as we have broken this zone, I'm willing to take the risks. This is just trading. Everything cannot be completely picture perfect, right? We can't wait for picture perfect setup all the time. But I've entered this trade right now on my FTMO challenge account, and currently this is what it's looking like. You see, we are a little bit of a drawdown here, but we'll just see. I'll update you guys how this trade plays out, and that is my idea. I haven't really found any other pair to take a trade unless this one. And look at what is happening here. Our 50 moving average and our 14 moving average has crossed, so I'm very confident about selling this trade all the way to the downside. But this week we'll see how the market is moving, right? If we'll continue this bearish trend. But I'm very bearish on Euro CHF, and I can stick with trading just this pair for the week. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Peace. Oh guys, just to add on for my confluence for taking this trade, right? I have the weekly is bearish, the daily is bearish, the 4 hour is bearish, as you can see, and then we have a lower low formation. This is considered as my lower low because it broke below this low, right? And we have our 50 moving average retracement right there, 50 moving average retracement, and we also have our key support level. This is a key support level, and we have our both of our 14 moving average and our 50 moving average is supporting price on this 4 hour time frame. And our entry is a market execution just to play the trade going down. One thing about it is, if you have been chasing a trade or you have been stalking a trade for so long, you don't want to miss out on it. So market execution is okay. It's better than missing a trade. So we are in this trade and we'll see how it plays out. Our stop loss are above the previous lower highs, right? We are predicting, right, that this will be a previous lower high, and we are expecting a lower low to form. Why? Because our moving averages are supporting price also. That's how we keep it simple, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We have 2 apples here and 1 mango.